the joy of timeless being. Addiction free is what you are. Pain free you are. Anxious free is what you are. Essential nature. Your sheer radiation burns through the dross of separation. Your rays warm and melt away the stacked glaciers of pride. Your light waves illuminate the darkest centers. O essential nature. You heal all ligaments that are sore. Soreness no more. You calm all the waves at sea. Storm free. You are the source of sacred stillness. O loving, essential nature. You called out to me to set myself free. You said the light is already with you. Stop all the doing, pursuing, and chasing after. O essential nature. You said, I have no need for self-improvement or self-help. I am cause and the source of all effect. Sun, awaken your imagination. Your expansion rests with me. O essential nature. Let loose of your identity. Let go and let me. The clouds can never touch me. Your garden flowers only because of me. Essential nature. The ways of the world, a steady haze, a constant swirl. The ebb and flow, the give and take, cyclical seasons, the great dreamscape. In this wondrous piece of art, all will play their part. Close both eyes and begin seeing that behind it all lies the source, the joy of timeless being, the ineffable, essential nature.